In Santa Monica, California, latest in a long line is the Douglas DC-6, and Ben Howard, test pilot, demonstrates the reversible pitch propellers on the four-engine craft that add to both safety and ease of operation on the ground. With the props in reverse pitch, the giant plane could be slowed down during an emergency landing. Many other war-tested devices are incorporated in the luxury airliner, which ushers in a new era in American aviation. "56 passengers will travel in up-to-the-minute comfort on board this successor to the famous Skymaster. Pressured cabins, soundproofing, traveling at a speed of 300 miles per hour in roomy cabins that can be quickly converted into sleeping compartments for 26 passengers. In this 20th century magic carpet, you'll soon be able to laugh at time and space and dream your way across the vastness of a nation at 20,000 feet. An ancient chore in a modern setting. Everything snug as a bug in a rug, ready to call it a day, and tomorrow comes on wings of safety. Bye now.